My name is Amatis, and today I am here to discuss with you an important topic, the UFO footage. In this I am going to discuss with you the so-called UFOs. Till now, we have heard about UFOs in stories, in fictions, or in films, but in reality, UFO is in fact. So what is UFO? UFO are the space objects or space vehicles carried out by intelligent alien beings. And the full form of UFO is unidentified flying object. And now, in recent years, we have came to know that UFOs are in real fact. And I am not telling that UFOs are real. But the government is now acknowledging that UFOs are real. On April 27, 2020, the Pentagon means the head of the American Department. The Pentagon released 3 videos in which US Navy pilots were encountering with UFO. Encountering with UFO means that the US Navy pilots were fighting or in a dogfight with those UFOs. Second, these videos were first leaked in 2007 till 2017 by using reports and by scanning throughout the internet and other websites. I have collected that these videos were first leaked in 2007 by individual companies or by some careless workers of the Pentagon. And these videos get viral from the internet till 2017-2018. But till 2018, the government told that these videos are not real and told that the UFOs are not real. But this video shows that pilots encountering with UFOs in 2000 test flight. By using new clues, we came to know that this video shows US Navy pilots encountering with the UFOs in their 2015 test dog flight. And so it has now clear that government knows about the UFOs. In the New York Times, the most well-known newspaper of America, a clip from 2004 was filmed by 2 Navy fighter pilots and shows a round object hovering above the water about 100 miles, 160 kilometers, I'm telling approximately, out of Pacific Ocean. This was the part of the first video clip in which the 2 Navy pilots were saying that the UFOs was defying gravity. It was going at very fast speed that has ever been imagined, and it has been captured by the Navy pilots' cameras also. And the 2 other videos were filmed in 2015, in which 2 pilots were baffled by the UFO. Once the pilots were confused by the UFO, they have never seen such type of things. And the government hide these proofs till 2018. But from 2019, due to Freedom of Information Act, many of the people who are interested in UFOs have gathered the trials and collections about UFOs. And therefore now the government acknowledges that the 3 UFO videos were 100% true. So could we say that the government is now accepting that humans are always with the presence of extraterrestrials? By using the Freedom of Information Act, on April 28, I have tried to collect these UFOs videos from the news channels of America, and I have also collected the account of the Department of Defense and the Pentagon, and also the former Department of Defense head, Senator Henry Reid. And I have these 2 video clips showing these 3 UFO incidents, and that I am going to share with you. Okay. In this, by using the Freedom of Information Act, I have collected this database. In its statement, the Pentagon said that, means the head of America said that After a thorough review, the department has determined that the authorized release of these unclassified videos does not reveal any sensitive capabilities of systems and does not impinge on any subsequent investigations of military airspace incursions by unidentified aerial phenomena. It means that the government is not fully accepting, but it is on its halfway to accept that the UFOs and the unidentified aerial phenomena was partially right. And the Department of Defense is releasing the videos in order to clear up any misconceptions by the public on whether or not the footage that has been circulated was real or whether or not there is more to these videos. The aerial phenomenon observed in these videos remain characterized as unidentified. And this, the Department of Defense is telling that these videos are actually unidentified. Means the government isn't also able to know what is the reality of these videos. In response to the government's this video release, the former Senate Democratic leader Henry Reid from Nevada means in New Mexico, tweeted the 3 videos only scratches the surface of research materials available. It means Senator is telling them this new UFO incidents could change about the researches. It could also take new ways in their scientific research. And he also wrote in his Twitter account that I am glad that Pentagon is finally releasing this footage, but it is only scratches the surface of research and materials available. The US needs to take a serious scientific look at this and any potential national security implications. The American people deserve to be informed. In this, the Senator Harry Reid tells that these videos of UFOs could pose a threat for the American people or the national security. And now I am going to share with you these videos.
There's a whole fleet of them. Look on the ASA. My gosh. They're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots from the west. Look at that thing, dude. That's not our LNS though, is it? It's not. I do have an LNS, dude. Well, the first look at that thing. It's rotating.
And this is the second video.
Did you talk to moving target? No, I took it on the card. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, dude. Wow, look at the fly.
And this is the third video. And I have also gathered to know more about these videos, and therefore I had came to know more details about this video with the writings here.
the first thing is it had no wings, so you think, okay, it's a helicopter. Well, there's no rotor wash in the water, there's no rotors, and when helicopters move side to side, they kind of slow and then they pick up speed going the other way. This was extremely abrupt, like a ping pong ball bouncing off a wall. It would hit and go the other way and change directions at will. And then the ability to hover over the water and then start a vertical climb from basically 0 up towards about 12,000 feet and then accelerate in less than 2 seconds and disappear is something.
This was the video clip about those 3 UFO videos released by the Pentagon, and I have collected more evidence by the DoD, Department of Defense and Pentagon's those letters. And now, on April 28, 2020, Mike Barra and astrophysicist Travis Taylor, who had written many books on astronomy, and is one of the astrophysicists of today's world. He went Sam Edward to look into the reality of these videos. Sam Edward is a Bollywood editor, and so he could know that this video or real or it has been edited. And they came to know that this videos was 100% true. So now it is not truly accepted that these videos are true. And now government has also acknowledged that the UFOs means the other planetary vehicles are coming on Earth. So could the time has came when we humans would meet with those intelligent aliens. And so this was my video about the aliens. Thank you.